Okay guys, here's a good one. This thing is bent. That front camber negative 2.5 should be about like this. Also the toe on the right front is toast. This person most likely hit a curb and most likely has a bent strut. So I will attempt to adjust the toe. That camber is not adjustable from the factory. There's some aftermarket shims you could put in there, but I usually won't do that. I would recommend replacing the strut and or possibly the control arm. When I'm adjusting this toe, I'll be able to tell whether the inner tie rod socket is bent as well. I won't know until I start adjusting or start replacing stuff. We'll see where she's at. Also, you can almost see the angle in that. It's definitely toast. Alright, well, that's as good as she gets for now. I'm going to recommend replacing the strut mount, lower control arm right side, and the lower control arm ball joint if the control arm doesn't come with the ball joint, and then realign it and see where it's at. I will suggest them turning this into an insurance company, because honestly it's not going to be cheap. It's about 5 hours in labor with the alignment, and probably $1,000 in parts maybe. Kia parts are not cheap.